Friends, welcome to Lakshmi Arts, and today in this video, let's see how to make a beautiful handmade jewelry using canvas pendant and canvas earrings. This canvas pendant jewelry gives a very trendy, fashionable look whether it is paired with traditional wear or western wear. So let's go ahead and see the step-by-step procedure of making our very own trendy, fashionable canvas pendant jewelry. Friends, this is the part 2 video of the canvas pendant jewelry, and let's see how to make the design template and the painting of Maa Durgaa in this video. In order to make this template, we need to make half of the face first. Here we have drawn the rectangle of the same size as the MDF cutout. Draw a center line. Mark a point at 2 inches from the top and at 1.5 inches on the right side. Starting from the eyes, let's make the face as shown. Make the kairi shape from the marking made on the right side. Also the earring, neck jewelry as shown. Also build up the crown on top step by step. Once half the face portion is done, fold the paper and press on the paper with some hard object. The graphite lines will be seen on the other side, which can be traced with a pencil to complete the face. Here our template is ready. We can use a carbon paper to trace the template onto the canvas pendant. Here we have traced the template onto the canvas pendant. Taking a mixture of white acrylic paint with chrome yellow and a touch of crimson red, here we have prepared the skin tone. Let's apply this shade onto the face and neck, leaving the eyes and lips. Again adding a touch of red to the same shade, let's prepare a darker shade. Apply this around the face on eyelids, neck portion and chin as shown. Black color, let's apply it on the eyebrows, eyes, pupils. Apply a layer of white on the eyes and let it dry. Add a touch of white on the pupils as shown. Outline the nose with the darker shade of the skin made earlier. Crimson red for the bindi and lips. Shade the lips with a mixture of red and black. Again taking the black color, paint the hair and the background as shown. Using red, green and yellow, let's cover the earrings and the crown as shown. Let's add pearl metallic gold on the edges of the design. This will separate the design from the background. Go over the crown and jewellery with 3D outliner gold. Let's paint the background with crimson red, giving a shading with black at the corners. Here our canvas pendant is painted and dried. Do paint the edges too. Also we can paint the back too with black paint. Here our canvas pendant jewelry is ready. Let's prepare a earring for the canvas pendant. Here let's take this canvas earring and draw the kairi shape similar to the pendant and color it similarly as shown. Again, let's take the pendant and the adjustable jewelry cord. The video for making the cord is available on this channel. Let's add latkans for the pendant. Here we are using shells and ghungru as the latkans. We can also use pom-pom, tassels or beads too as the latkans. Also, let's add thread beads and ghungru decorating the necklace thread. Let's attach this thread to the adjustable jewelry cord. Let's complete the earring by adding a ghungru and a hook, which completes our jewellery set. Friends, here our beautiful canvas pendant jewellery set is ready, which will go very well with traditional as well as western wear. Do watch the videos on the necklace jewellery cord and the thread bead video too to make a complete handmade jewellery on your own. Thanks for watching.